let's go to the common mistakes, no? Kasi maraming OFW yung na-scam. Nakakalungkot kasi yung hard-earned money, 'di ba? Parang bad trip, kinuha lang ng scammer. Nakakainis. So, para makaiwas sana sa mga ganong klaseng mga manloloko, ito yung mga napapansin ko lang na common trends. Una, it's very risky din, no, to invest your money dun sa mga brokers na hindi under license ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Sobrang dami niyan. You would see a legitimate website when you Google it, pero bigla-bigla naglalaho yung website. Just search ka dun sa Securities and Exchange Commission, search ka sa Philippine Stock Exchange website, makikita mo na yung stock brokers na under license to trade and for us to buy and sell stocks. Tapos, kapag meron kang na-contact na tao who would do the investment for you, no? Tapos, sinabi niya na idodoble yung pera mo, sure 100% nakikita. Be very, very careful. Kahit mag-invest ka sa Philippine stock market, kahit mag-invest ka sa Jollibee na kilalang company, there would always be risk na malugi. So, when someone tells you na kikita siya ng sure, 100% guaranteed, be very, very careful in transacting with those. Tapos, do your research pa more. I'm really pounding on the research. Pag-aralan siyang mabuti kasi sayang I know it's hard work na nasa ibang bansa ka ngayon. So, really do your research before investing your money.